Well, this is my very first one, and oh my gosh, it has been great. The camaraderie that we've built and the community, and also the resources that are available. There are Facebook groups for the teachers. You get access to different textbooks that you can use. Also, an opportunity to really dig deeply into the AP curriculum. So this has been wonderful, and an opportunity to explore a new city, which is fun because I'm from Michigan and I'm in Kentucky now.
This is my second year coming to an APSI, and I cannot imagine going into teaching AP without the resources that I was provided at the APSI. I think that the networking with other teachers is awesome, and specifically on an AP test, there are lots of nuances, especially when grading FRQs, and having someone to teach you how to grade and what the AP graders are looking for is super, super valuable.
Teachers should come to an AP Institute to not only learn from other professionals, but really get a lot of guidance. If you're teaching an AP class and you never taught one before, an AP Institute not only will give you lesson ideas, but it will also give you access to things like AP Classroom and figure out how to use that the College Board has sent out. It will also allow you to learn how the AP exams are scored. And having attended about 5 or 6 AP Institutes in my career, I can say that it's the best professional development that I've ever done.
You get to be around other teachers who love to teach this course as well. And this week has made me rediscover why I love teaching so much.
I believe that teachers should come to an AP Institute because it's just like how AP classes challenge the kids, these challenge the teachers.
Teaching strategies, collaborating with other AP teachers, and the AP consultants are amazing as well. This gives us a week to really dive deep into the AP content, and it just rejuvenates us, or me, as a teacher.